What's up, YouTube? It's your boy T, back again today with another Soul Supremacy beater box. Seemed like a while since I had a beater box. I've been doing local deals and bulk deals and stuff like that around the town, but today I do have a beater box worth 590 bucks from Soul Supremacy. If you're new to the channel, these are nothing more, nothing less than just a mystery box from a company called Soul Supremacy out in California. Complete mystery, don't know what's inside of it, don't know the sizes, conditions, all of that stuff ranges. And we supposed to flip these boxes for a profit, potential profit. Like I said, this box cost me 590 bucks. I'm not gonna waste too much of y'all time, man. I'm gonna jump right into this one. Hopefully have something good. That little bulk deal I did and posted last week. Those Vapor Maxes, all those Vapor Maxes plus, that little deal went really well. Really well. And off top, I kind of like this box. Everything comes with the shoe box. Get this Adidas out the way. We got a size 9 Adidas NMD. I'm not sure what the WM stands for, but we got a size 9 NMD Trail. Never seen these before. Got that aggressive trail bottom on there. Red, white, and blue. I guess it's a collab with White Mountaineering. I guess that's what the WM stands for. Red, white, and blue, size 9, pretty good condition. The boost is still pretty clean on these. Check out the bottoms again. Has that trail bottom. Some people like that, some people hate it. It's pretty aggressive, but to each his own. Don't know the value of those. Never seen them before. I don't even know who White Mountaineering is, man. Keep it 100 with y'all. I have no idea who that is. Alright, we got a Jordan box, small Jordan box, size 6. Come on, man, this can't. Golly. And we have these again. I still have 2 pair from previous boxes. I have a 5, a 6.5, and now I have a size 6 in the quiet 54, size 6 in the box. These do not go for much. Like I said, I still have the last 2 pair I got in the beater boxes a couple weeks ago. Next up, I got a size 10.5 Jordan 6, size 10.5. The box is beat up. Olympic 6s, size 6, a little dirty. Could use a good wipe down. Overall though, it's not too bad. Somebody will cop them. Size 10.5 Jordan 6s will need a good little cleaning. I'll see what I can do about that. I don't do too much cleaning, but I don't know, man. Nothing too special here. I've gotten these a million times in beater boxes. It's actually a pretty dope shoe. I've just seen it so many times, I've kind of got tired of looking at that particular colorway. Next up, I got another Jordan box, another size 6, another Q54, man. Golly. The last beater box I had 2 of these. Now I have another 2. So I have a total of 4 pair of these shoes. From 5, 6.5, and 2 size 6s. And this box is a little ripped. So these do not go for much, man. I think on StockX, the price of these is going for like 75, 85 bucks. These do not go for much. I don't know the value of those. So far, this box isn't looking that good to me. I got 3 pair left, all Jordans. Size 10.5, my size. I can see from the tag I got an infrared 6. This is a pretty good pickup. These are dope. The bottom's actually still pretty icy too. Size 10.5. Check out the other one. I don't see any lace locks on here. Maybe they in the box. Let me check the box and see. These are in really good shape though. Infrared 6s. The first decent pair I done pulled out of this box. Does have a little scuffing right there. Right there. See if I can get that out. Any lace locks. Guess we don't have any lace locks though. I probably have some extra ones laying around here somewhere. But infrared stickers, man. Pretty good pickup. 10.5 on those. Jordan 10, size 11, so my size again, but it's a Jordan 10. I'm not super fond of Jordan 10s. From the City Pack, I want to say these are Paris from the City Packs. I think this was the best one in my opinion of the City Pack. A lot of people thought that too, but I don't know if these still hold a lot of value. I don't think they do. You guys will know down before I do. I have to look it up and see. I haven't seen these in a while. These are size 11. These are pretty clean. The bottoms are still pretty icy. Check that out. This is my first time seeing them in hand. I like them in pictures. I mean, they dope in hand too, but I'm just not a big 10 guy. Size 11 on these. Man, this box is kind of rough. Down at the bottom of the box, I have another Jordan sticker. Probably came out of one of those Jordan 2 boxes. Got a size 11, another Jordan 6, as you can tell. And I guess I got 2 of the infrareds. These do come with the lace locks. These are size 11. I don't know, man, about this box. I got multiples, I got doubles of shoes. Kind of makes for a boring box, but and again, I don't know the value of those NMDs. I don't know, man. I don't know if I'm feeling this box. It's cool because I like these 6s. It sucks I got 2 of the same color, and then I got the Olympic ones that need a pretty good wipe down. So I don't know, man. What y'all think, man? 540 bucks for this box. It was kind of all over the place. Well, not really, because I got multiples of everything, but I don't know the value of them, so I'm gonna have to look it up and see. Maybe the NMDs are worth more than what I'm thinking in my head. I have no idea, but just a first glance at it, I don't know about this box. Sometimes you gotta ask yourself, is it worth the work? We'll see. I'm not gonna be complaining about it. I know I get a good chunk of my change, if not make some back. Like I said, I don't know the value of some of this stuff, so it could be a good surprise when I look it up. But as always, man, if you guys are interested in any of this, hit me up at TGOTSOLE@gmail.com, Instagram at TGOTSOLE, Twitter at TGOTSOLE. You can DM me and I will get back to you. Appreciate all you guys watching the video, showing love, leaving comments down below. I try to respond back to everybody comment. If you guys watch the video within the first 2 or 3 days, I try to get back to all the comments. So appreciate you guys rolling with me, watching these videos, taking time out your day to check me out. And I think that about do it, man. I'm out. Peace.